Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Aman from BS Math. Today my topic is Redox titration. First of all, we will discuss about what is redox titration. A titration which deals with a reaction involving oxidation and reduction of certain chemical species. What is titration? The act of adding standard solution in small quantities to the test solution till the reaction is complete is termed as titration. Now we discuss about what is reduction. Old definition: removal of oxygen from a compound from equation WO3 plus 3H2O to form W plus 3H2O. Current definition: gain of electrons is reduction. Chlorine plus E negative to form fluorine. Negative charge represent electron richness. One negative charge means rich by one electron. What is oxidation? Old definition: combination of a substance with oxygen C plus O2 to form CO2. Current definition: loss of electrons is oxidation. Na to form Na positive plus E negative. Positive charge represent the electron deficiency. One positive charge means deficient by one electron. Now we discuss about oxidation reduction. Oxidation and reduction go hand in hand. In a reaction, if there is an atom undergoing oxidation, there is probably another atom undergoing reduction. When there is an atom that donates electron, there is always an atom that accepts electron. Electron transfer happens from one atom to another. Redox reaction. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation, gain in oxygen. In reduction, loss of oxygen. In oxidation, loss of hydrogen. In reduction, gain in hydrogen. In oxidation, loss of electrons. In reduction, gain of electrons. Reagents used in redox titration. Reducing agent. First, ammonium iron sulfate hexahydrate, Mohs salt, FeSO4 N4 SO4 6H2O. Second one, iron ethylene diamine sulfate, Osper's salt. Third, sodium thiosulfate pentahydrate. Fourth, arsenic trioxide, arsenious oxide. Fifth, sodium oxalate and oxalic acid dihydrate. Some examples like in acid-base titration example quantification of acetic acid in vinegar. Analyte acetic acid or titrant NaOH sodium hydroxide indicator phenolphthalein. In complexometric titration example water hardness calcium and magnesium. Analyte calcium and magnesium. Titrant EDTA indicator ergochrome black tea peroxide. Precipitation and titration example quantification of fluoride in water. Analyte chloride. Titrant AgNO3 silver nitrate. Indicator Mohr-Volhard fusions. Redox titration example quantification of hydrogen peroxide. Analyte hydrogen peroxide. Titrant potassium permanganate. Indicator no indicator used in redox. Now we discuss about different types of titration. First is back titration, second one is direct titration, third one is indirect titration, fourth one is iodometry. There are a lot of redox titrations classified according to the titrant used. Permagnetic titrant KMNO4, dichromatic titrant K2Cr2O7. Second, titration involving iodine, iodometry and iodometry. Titration that create or consume I2 are widely used Quantitative analysis. Iodometry. Iodometry is the titration of iodine produced when an oxidizing analyte is added to excess iodide. Then the iodine is usually titrated with standard thiosulfate solution. Iodometry, not a direct titration because there are two reactions. First, analyte plus I negative to form I2. I2 plus titrant to form product. Iodometric titration. A reducing analyte be one reaction and standard solution iodine. Iodometric titration. An oxidizing analyte two reactions, standard solution sodium thiosulfate. Analytical applications. Iodometric titration species analyzed oxidizing analytes HOCl, Br2, IO3, IO4, O2, H2O2 and O3. Iodometric titration species analyzed reducing analytes SO2, H2S, Zn, CdHgPb. Cysteine, glutathione, merca, captanol, glucose and other reducing sugars. Thank you.